This is gonna be a great day. So what do you feel like doing?
How about bowling? Oh, that's right. We got no arms!
Maybe tomorrow then?
Idiot.
Are those?
Nacho cheese.
They're so
Oh,
close.
so close.
See, I knew this would be a great day.
Yeah.
Oh.
No! Ooh. Ooh.
At least they got the plug in, huh? So, what's on the agenda for today? What do you want to do?
I got an idea. Shut up for once in your life!
Yeah, I got a better idea. Why don't you both put a plug in it?
Whoa.
Nacho cheese.
I knew something good would happen today.
Kid, it's our lucky day.
What are you gonna do now, Einstein?
Did you spark?
Nah, it was the dog.
Wow, just look at it. We can do this. I bet it's nacho cheese.
Give it up.
There's gotta be a way.
Will you please shut up, you idiot?
I got it! You know you're an idiot, right? Did you know my grandpa had no mouth?
Wow, great story.
I got a story. It's called Idiots.